Alright, good. You got
If ever, if ever. Ja, Rastafari. You know it is, Mira. You didn't go and take Conte? No. You turn on back. Mio! Yes!
film. Okay. Going over to Sibleys. Yeah. Yeah? You reach a Sibleys. This is Sibleys. His mama has grown. This is where she plant. Who won this? Nelson Peace? Pop. Pops and Papa. Philip.
put back in our room.
What's Sibley there?
I put it in again.
What's Sibley there? Yeah, lady. Okay, we got Sibleys, man.
We're back on the road to Sibleys. That was... Where that place I call? Where that place I call? Nelson Peace was over there. Papa Bear Bush. No, Sibleys Mama Bush. All the way up here. So Mama used to have to carry a bag of yam and thing to load up yam truck to sell to Canada with my father, uncle's shipping company. She used to get yellow yam from up Sibleys and all over. She used to select all the yams coming out of Manchester, or Norway to be exact. So she was responsible for that. And they would come out with the trucks and she would get the yams on the shipping trucks. So we're going up to where the tanks are, up to Sibleys, and you can hear my breath run out because a long time, you know. Come on, Sibleys. And we have on the tour our tour guides and Bobby also going to Mama's work. And we have Denny, another tour guide, with us, and I'm just so excited. I'm out of breath. Whew. Oh, we're getting somewhere here. So this is Pop's ground again. Little maca tree over here. Maybe I should have worn my jeans. Now here's some nice tangerines right here. Tangerine tree. Baba place over there. And that's the hill, right? Yeah. And that's Mama's house up there. So Mama used to look from all the way here up to the house, and the church is over there. So from this point Mama was going farming every day at 5 o'clock. This is yellow yam. This is a yam hill, of course. This is a yam farm right here. Sibleys with this tank and this rock buildup up here. This is my experience of Sibleys. And let me start fishing at the tank too, you know. This tank is a legendary tank, you know. This tank right here is a legendary tank. I remember when I was younger, I used to always come up to this tank. And I was very afraid that there was something about this tank. We would fall in or something and they would never find us. So as you can see, we're in the hills. Okay guys, what are you doing? This is the story of Sibleys. A quick preview for the great-grandchildren. For the children of the future. This is where your grandmother started. Goodbye. Eh? Uh-oh. The machine good. Are you sharp meat? Are you sharp meat? You're a good farmer, man. That respect. And people should begin with a market like this. That is a shame. Never come Sibleys yet. That is a shame.
Share yellow boxes.
Down on the side. Look at the other side. You see it?
This is coffee. This right here is coffee. Jamaican coffee.
Cold juice.
This is the piece.
Man, you know nothing about.
If you want to put some ice some juice for ice, man, I want 10 cases of trouble, you know? 5 cases of trouble.
You have to go buy ice. 10 cases of trouble.
Yeah, man, more for drinks and stuff.
You buy more drinks?
Can buy more.
If you go buy trouble, you buy more than 3 little crates.
Pop,
Run down here.
supposed to have some money. You know? Supposed to have money for me.
Nah, that's nice, man. You can buy the ice, man.
You can't have some it's coming hurt, man. Yes, you will.
That's can't be here.
You have to have
Yo, you know, carry the man and get this. Not to half an hour to die. I want us to go man and come up right this.
There's no traffic there? No, the traffic there.
Bad road. Now wagon, we're happy wagon we have man.
The traffic that because...
Where wagon there?
What's the up going with it?
Ain't got.
Now wagon we have man.
Yeah?
And then if it can't fit in what I mean,
Eh?
I say if it can't fit in,
I'm going to say I'm going to put on a new clothes and I'm not going to put. I'm not my shoes, I'm not my shirt.
you know what I'm saying?